guys, another great tip for you guys. Say your house has wood molding, like around your windows or on your garage. Mine are vinyl, so I don't have any wood, but around my garage, this is wood. You could have your soffits, your fascia, anything that is wood. If you see any kind of paint peeling off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scrape and paint. The reason for that is if you don't, then the moisture is going to get into the wood and rot it out, and then you're going to have to replace it. As long as you keep an eye out for any kind of paint peeling, you'll be good. Another tip also you can try is any kind of hole that's coming out of the house, say like my hose bib here, as well as my any kind of dryer vent, shop vac vent, like this here. As you can see, it's properly caulked and sealed around. There's no holes. And the reason for that is you don't want any kind of bugs, wasps, ants, or even mice coming into the house, because all the mouse needs is about the size of a dime to come into the house. And I don't know about you, but if my wife knew that there was a mouse in the house, she'd want to move. So as long as you keep up on the outside of the house, you're good to go.